Sandile.
Yeah.
Okay. Uyakhuluma nje.
Hey Sne. Hey Sne.
Hello.
You're speaking to me. Who's that Sandile now?
Angikuzwa yini?
Who's that Sandile of yours? Cause mina
Ngicela kuko konke. Uma ungizothi ye la. Ngenze njani ke mina ngoba ngiphathanga ne dictionary la.
but you know my Zulu is poor mos. But you do know my Zulu is poor mos. I've told you before and I'm still trying to learn.
Musungicika mina musungicika. Khuluma isiZulu ngizokuzwa. Ye yonke into ngenze njani ke mina ngingena dictionary. Ngeke isikole ngoba ngingafuni ukukhuluma isilungu. Ngenze njani?
But you know you're the one who was teaching me Zulu. So if now you're busy with those Sandile small boys, how will I know?
Ngenze njani ke mina? Okay ke uSandile uvele umuntu wami.